It's been 2 years now, Daddy. Today marks your memory day. Time flew by so quickly, but the pain never fades away. You left so unexpectedly, didn't get to say goodbye. You didn't want to leave us, but heaven called you to the sky. Oh Daddy, why'd you leave so soon? Still feel your presence in this room. Fly high, my king, up where the angels sing. But down here my heart is breaking every day. I miss you, Dad, more than any words can say. Wish I could hold you one more day. Fly high, my king, to a place with no more pain. Though you're gone, your love still remains. Fly high, my king. Your spirit lives in me. Your departure shattered me deeply, left me lost in every way. Emotionally drained completely, physically hurting every day. Sometimes I sit in silence, feeling mentally torn apart. But your voice keeps whispering softly, you're strong, my child, follow your heart. Daddy's love, never gone. Hold on, be strong. I light a candle for you, Dad, hoping you're watching over me. I pray the heavens treat you kindly, where your soul is finally free. No matter how far you've traveled, you'll always be my guiding star. I'm holding on to all our memories, they live forever in my heart, forever in my heart. Oh, Daddy, forever in my soul. Fly high, my king, up where the angels sing. Your love remains, even though you're far away. I miss you, Dad, each and every day. But your spirit guides me on my way. Fly high, my king, rest in peace above. You left this world, but not my love.